Okay, y'all, so Grand Rising, I am about to show y'all in a separate video the drink that I am making that I drink twice a day that is assisting me with getting rid of this stubborn belly fat. And I'm gonna show you my full day of everything that I'm eating, everything that I'm doing, because I'm really on this journey to lose weight and get in shape as I need to be. But first and foremost, I must show you this drink that I saw online that is really helping women get rid of that stubborn belly fat, and I'm on a journey to get it together. So I have my pineapple, my cucumber, my lemon, and my ginger, and I have more ginger root, but this is the last of this ginger root. So that's what I'm gonna make, so let me show you. So the first thing that I do is cut off the skin of the pineapple, and I am going to boil this in some water while I cut up the rest of the vegetables and fruit. So I got my pineapples in the pot. So I'm going to add water over it and let this boil for about 10 minutes. So while I wait for the water to boil, I cut up my pineapple into little squares. Then I cut my cucumbers up. Then I cut up my ginger. And I put that in a bowl to the side. I'm gonna eat some pineapple. And then I juice my lemon. So now I have my lemon juice. My water is boiling, and I heard that pineapple water is actually really beneficial to you, so I'll research the facts and come back and tell y'all the facts later. So the water is done, so now I'm going to pour it in a bowl. So now I'm gonna put this in the freezer and let it cool off some so I can add it to my smoothie that's ready to go. Okay, so my water is ready. So now I'm gonna blend this up. So now that my drink is ready, so I'm gonna pour some for now because I drink this twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. So that's my drink for today. And this is my drink for tonight. And then, you know, we have that lemon juice. So I'm gonna add some lemon juice. The one from this morning and the one for tonight. And voila, that's it. So I said that I was going to show you all like my full day and what I eat and all of that, but I'm going to do that in a separate video. I just want to make this video about this drink and share this recipe because y'all, listen, since I've been drinking this, I'm feeling so much better, more energized. My sleep is really good. So, you know, if you're really trying to lose that stubborn belly fat, this is what you need to be drinking, ladies, okay? So make sure that y'all stay tuned for my full day in the next video. And I will be doing, and this is not mine in the back, this Ovaltine, this is not mine, so don't think I'm drinking that. But stay tuned, and this sugar in the back is not mine either. So make sure y'all stay tuned for, because I'm gonna be doing a full process of how it's going and the results that I'm receiving. And in the next video, I'll show you some before pictures of me, and I'm going to be vlogging the whole process. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, y'all, I'm out of here. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Snapchat. I'm out.